Hi, I'm hungry. Did you make me something for supper?
Yes, I made you a sandwich. Take this.
Well, thanks. Ah, it keeps falling. What shall I do?
Do you need help? The sandwich stapler.
Sounds fancy, but what the hell is that?
It's a new technology that gives you the power to hold stuff in your sandwich.
Wow! How does it work?
Just take a look to that demonstration. First step, take the sandwich stapler. Second step, take your sandwich. Put it on a stable platform and then staple! Do it on each side and there you go.
Wow! I'm really impressed. Can I taste it?
Sure.
The best sandwich ever! I need a sandwich stapler.
Only $19.99.
Oh well, I'll buy. $20 is cheap anyway.
The sandwich stapler is sold everywhere.
Thanks, sandwich stapler.
Yay!